Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I'm talking about pinto beans today, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you for using pinto beans. How about using pinto beans when you're making your favorite chili instead of kidney beans? Something a little different. Try making a really easy sandwich or a tortilla filling or even a dip by blending some pinto beans with sage, oregano, garlic, and black pepper. If you want some heat in there, add a little heat to it as well and flavor it your way on top of that, and it will be good. You can make a yummy meal by layering some cooked pinto beans with some chopped tomatoes, chopped onions on top of a tortilla. Top that with some shredded cheddar cheese, then broil it briefly until the cheese melts, and then top that with some diced avocado and some chopped cilantro. There you go, you've got an easy meal. How about adding some pinto beans to your favorite vegetable soup? Make a simple one-pot meal by heating up some cooked pinto beans with some cooked rice, some cooked vegetables of your choice. It could be carrots, zucchini, tomatoes, whatever you've got that you've cooked up that would sound good to you at the moment. Season them to taste any way you want, and there you go. You've got a meal ready to go in no time. Now, when you're cooking dried pinto beans, you can flavor them as they are cooking initially. You can add some aromatics in there like some garlic and some onions and some herbs right at the start when you're cooking, and those flavors will infuse into the beans and they'll be really good that way. It'll add a depth of flavor to those beans. Now, do not add salty ingredients or salt itself or acid ingredients like vinegar, lemon juice, or lime juice to the cooking water up front. If you add salt or acid up front, your beans will be very tough. It will seem like they're just never cooking and they're just not going to get soft. So if you want to add those ingredients, add them at the end of cooking time and you'll have much better results that way. Then, if you do that, try saving that water. After the beans are cooked and you go to drain it off, save that water because you can use that in a soup or a stew and it'll add a lot of extra flavor as well. Now, even though some people opt to not soak their beans before they cook them, it is highly recommended that you soak them first. Why? It helps to break the beans down a little bit and release some of those compounds that are going to cause a lot of gas when you eat them. And so by soaking them first, you won't have as much bloating and gas issue, and it'll make them much more digestible. So it is highly recommended that you soak your beans first, drain off that water after you've soaked them, replenish it with some fresh water, then cook your beans. You'll be a lot happier in the long run if you do that. Well, I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.